Philip Johnson sort of introduced, you could say, promiscuity or at least openness to new ideas with I'm a whore.
What? No! What?
Obama has introduced optimism at a sort of time of global financial crisis. Designed for a hotel in the north of Sweden. When we submitted it for the Swedish competition, we thought it was a really cool scheme, but it didn't exactly look like something from the north of Sweden. The Swedish jury didn't think so either, so we lost. But then we had a meeting with a Chinese businessman who saw our design and said sort of, wow, that's the Chinese character for the word people. So apparently this is how you write people, as in the People's Republic of China.